Hi, I'm Stan from Over the Hill Adventures, and today we are going to talk about a contraption that will revolutionize the RV industry. Just like the must-haves of a water regulator and a surge protector, this little contraption, Flush Safe, is a must-have when flushing your black tank. Have you ever been one of those who forgot to turn the water off while you were flushing your tank? I hate to admit it, but I've been one. So we're going to try this new Flush Safe. I think it's a genius idea. And then see how that works. And I'm going to tell you about it to see if it worked well. And then you guys might want to order one, because what it basically does is you connect it to the hose, and then when it reaches a certain amount of gallons, it shuts off. So you set it for 35 or 45 gallons, and then it shuts off. Genius! You know how I like to share things that solve problems, and this solves a problem. I've got this thing set up, and I've got it set for 45 gallons. I've got a 52-gallon black tank, so I got it set for 45. I have my gallon meter here just to check to make sure. The one that I'm using is a prototype, so you guys know. It's a prototype. It's been 3D printed, and so the actually injected mold ones that are going to be the finished product are going to be available in March. So let's give this a try. I'm excited. Done filling up the tank for the first flush. Guys, it works. It's great. It works. So I set it for 45. So click down all the way to the arrow and it shut off. Remember, this is a prototype, so it's been 3D printed. So you see a little water and it's, hey, it leaks. No, it doesn't leak. It's just 3D printed. And the actual ones are going to be injected. It's mold injected. So I look over here. Can you guys read that? 45.5. So man, it's right on the money. I don't have to worry about it. You know, we get caught up in talking to people all the time. No worries. This is a problem solver. Let me explain to you real quick what I have been doing to flush my black tank. To do it properly. To properly flush your black tank, you need to empty it all out, close it, fill it all the way back up to the top with water, so it gets all that crusty toilet paper up and around that's like concrete, and flush it all the way down, and then fill it all the way up, and then open it up again and flush it all the way down. The reason why you do that is so you get it completely clean, and I'm pretty anal about, no pun intended, to be really clean. Now, people flush their tanks differently. Some people just pull and then throw the water in and let it flush out until it's clear. Trust me, that is not the way to do it. There are schools on how to do it correctly. If you don't believe me, go to the University of YouTube. They will tell you exactly how to properly flush your tank, to bring it all the way back up to the top with clean water and flush it all back down so you get everything from the top. The problem is getting the right amount of water in there. And so what I've been doing, and I got a suggestion from somebody from the Campaholics when he told me, hey, just use a timer. Well, that's great, and it does work, but at different campgrounds, there's different flows. So you set your timer for 8 minutes, well, you only got 30 gallons. The next campground, you set it for 8 minutes, you got 40 gallons. Well, Flush Safe does it by the gallons. So you just turn it to 45 gallons and it shuts off. And we have tried it now several times, and I'm going, why didn't I think of this? It saves a problem. And if you are like me, who has done the mistake, overfill your black tank, I have, I admit it, it was my mistake. This solves that problem. I actually met the owner, and his name was Steve, and he gave this to me to try. And he says, tell me what you think. This is lucky number 13 is what I got. And he gave it to, I believe, 25 content creators. So anyway, I was really impressed with it. I was really impressed with the idea. And I guess it's patent pending now. Get on the ground floor and try it out and see what you think. I mean, I'm impressed with it. We've tried it many, many times. And I'm going like, why didn't I think of this? This is an excellent idea. Really excited about it. Go to our QR code if you want to prepaid. It's supposed to come out. This, like I told you before, this is a prototype. It's not even the real thing, but it works. So I can imagine how much better the other one was going to work, and it's going to be mold injected, so it's not going to have any kind of leaks, and it's probably going to even work better. But anyway, So go, if you want to prepay, they'll give you a $10 discount. Go to our QR code, and then in the promo code, put in prepaid. Order one and get on the bandwagon before they start going up in price, because this is a huge problem solver. So there you go. This is Stan with another problem solver. Till the next time.